now is when I try to create a new profile and then I try saving it, it's going to rewrite the previous one that we have done. Which, let's say I try to change this one, I added some other things. This is the current database information that is here. So I click on profile. Instead of it trying to add to it, instead it will change the current one. Look at this, our username, which is 098. See what happened when I hit the profile. You can see it got changed. New things got added to it and got changed, which you don't want in our situation. To handle this kind of problem, it's just basically simple. What we can do is to change the mode that stores our information. Let me close this. We change the mode that Pandas stores information. Here we're going to set mode. I talked about this mode when I talked about OS mode, which is a form of, there are many mode, which is append, write byte, read byte, read. So what I'm going to say is this mode to be equals to what? We want to be appending to the current one that already exists. Instead of it changing this our entire, it's going to append new ones to it. So let's run this, and then let's look at our database that currently existing. So what's again? This is your pop. Okay, it's already run already. So I'm just going to click on this sign in to open a new profile. So I'm going to enter some things here and enter some other things. Remember, you can enter anything of your choice. Then I create profile. You can see new guys got appended here, but there's still a small problem because right now when I run it, both the title here got appended also with it, which we do not want in our case. We want it to be in form of this way because we want to check when somebody enters the username and the password. We want to know whether if it actually is this in this of our username and password colon. So let me make this a little bit okay. Let me open it a CSV editor so we can see this. So we can see this is our first name, surname, phone number, username, and that of our password that is currently available right now. But initially, when I didn't remove that of this, it's going to have a first name and another first name. Let me remove this. Let me enter with text editor, and then let me go back to what was actually before, and then I open it again with this editor. You can see you see get first name. I don't think this actually makes sense. But in our current scenario, we can decide to leave it like this because we're not doing anything really much here. Or just what we're going to do is to check whether the username and the password is matches what is in our database. So we're not going to do anything more complex for us to understand what we're doing. So I think we'll come to the end for this particular session of this video. In our next video, we're going to try to what is it called? We're going to twist this guy a little bit, this checking info. Instead of it checking whether if the username is directed to the username database and directed to the password database. So we're going to basically do all these things. So that's basically what we're going to do in the next video. Just going to be a little bit of tweaking that we're going to do. So I think I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.